Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun items to share with you today. The first one is probably one of my favorites. It is the shell edge card. Now, when I say shell edge card, what do I mean? Let me show you a sample because it's so important that you see it. Look at how gorgeous this A2 card base is. It has those fun shells on the edge. Look at that. Call me on my shell. Isn't that adorable? Now, it comes with Call Me on My Shell. It also comes with See You at the Beach, Shell Yeah, and Hello with extra shells as well. So you can layer them. So much fun. Lots of samples. Stay tuned. The next item I have is something that every time we come out with a new one, they sell out. So I'm warning you now. Don't email us in 15 minutes when it sells out. Go get it now. It is the next version of the Piece It background dies. So we came out with the diagonal. We came out with the Starburst one when we did our class. Now it's time for the rounded one, which is so fun. It fits on an A2 size card front. And look at how gorgeous it is. Look how fun that is. Isn't that beautiful? Lots more samples to show you because you can do it like this where it really is the hero of the project, or you can do it like this where it's a little more subtle, which is fun, right? So two totally different options. And it's great for horizontal or vertical, right? Last but not least is something that I cannot believe we did not have on the website until now. It's like almost embarrassing to me, so I'm just warning you. It is the reverse corner squares. How in the world did I not have this on the website sooner? I don't know. I don't know how this happened. It fell through the cracks. I feel horrible. But let me show you how awesome this card base, this die set is. So you can do a whole bunch of just random squares like this. You can do something more like this and make some gorgeous frames on it. You could use it on the front of a gatefold card. Look at this beautiful square right there, turned as a diamond. Isn't that beautiful? Love that. Here it is on the front of our A2 top fold card, which I love. Here it is with our club set for this month. So much fun. Now let's look at some more of those rounded pieces because let me just tell you, look at how beautiful that is. I'm going to show you a couple just because I want you to see how beautiful they are. You can die cut them out of cardstock, out of paper pads, but you can do them vertical or horizontal, which is so much fun, right? I love it. So versatile too, right? You can just do it for anything. Now, let's look at some shell cards because let me tell you, is that just beautiful or what? Look at all those extra little pieces. Those are coming from the Seahorse Slimline Fold It. All those cute little shells. But you could also do it in glitter. Look how pretty those are. Or you could just do it in a glitter outline. So beautiful. Just stunning. Just stunning. Here's one using our Sand Dollar pattern paper pad, which is really fun. Look at that look at that. See You at the Beach. Here's a cute one. Shell Yeah with the sunglasses. I love it. Isn't that cute? Now, club members, I know you know how to do this, right? The first 24 hours or until sold out, these items will be on flash sale on our website. But not only are they on flash sale, our club members will save an extra 15 to 20% off these prices. It's like a sale every single day they come to our website. Why? Because I designed a company, I designed a club that I would want to be in. And if I was a club member anywhere, I feel like I deserve a little something extra, right? Right? If I'm in the club. So yeah, every time you go to our website as a club member, you are saving 15 to 20% off every single time you order, every single item you order, every single day. Every single item, every single order, every single day. It's like amazing. It's amazing. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club up at the top and just watch that video. That's going to explain everything about our clubs. The monthly commitment for our clubs is only 3 months. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.